Yo, what's up guys? Today I have a new series called Atoms Element. Today we're going to be talking about sulfur. Right here is where, well, we're going to use a laser pointer, is where sulfur is on the periodic table. So now we're going to talk about other things about sulfur. So here's the almost like tile of sulfur. S stands for sulfur. It's the 16th element on the periodic table, which means it has 16 protons. And the average atomic mass for every sulfur atom in the universe is 32.066. The most common isotope that's it made in is 32S. It has 16 protons, 16 neutrons, has 16 electrons when neutral. It's solid at room temperature, and it's not a metal. So this is a picture of me with a box of sulfur. Here's the sulfur closer up. So, and it feels almost like, well, some of it feels like an asteroid. I don't know if you ever felt one of those. I have like a sample of one. Other parts of it feel like candle wax, and then other parts feel like a sharp pebble. It's really interesting how it feels. And I got it from the Albany Gem Show. It's actually very affordable. It's $6 for a big lump of it. And, well, I'm going to tell you how it smells. Yellowstone, if you've been there, and rotten eggs, pretty much what it smells like. And some of it smells like candle wax, or not smells, but feels like candle wax. Other bits literally feel like an asteroid. You may not have one of those at your house, and other parts feel like a sharp pebble. And the color is kind of like beige and dark yellow, something like that. Sorry, I'm colorblind, so what do you tell them?
Light yellow.
Okay. And this is the Oxford Electric Bell. It is actually coated in sulfur. In the last slide, you saw my chunk of sulfur. It's a lot of sulfur. So, basically, there are two dry pile batteries, which have, like, copper and zinc discs with water so that the charge can go through the batteries, and it's connected to a metal rod, and there are two clackers, or clappers, whatever you want to call them, bells. And then, as you see, there's charge in the bells, and there's a bell jar over it, and then there's a, almost like arch, which has a string with a ball there. Now, here's a closer up bit of it. So, as you see, and there's a string, and down here is where the ball is. And there's charge, so it rings and rings. And the history, and it was bought by a physicist in 1840. And, well, it's been ringing ever since. And that's all I have to say about it. It's really cool. And it's also used for making rubber. That looks like a tire almost. Also used for making black gunpowder and with sulfuric acid. And here are sulfur in nature. Eggs smell like sulfur. And you have, well, hot volcanoes, hot springs, basically Yellowstone if you've ever been to there, you know what that smells like. And amino acids. And this is also present in acid rain. So when it's polluted, when there's pollution in the air by, plants, you get sulfur dioxide, which turns into acid rain into the streams. And also, if there's a stone anything, like stone statues, it can corrode it. Okay, so this has been my episode about sulfur. Well, I've been Black Bedroom C, and I'm out.